Students, welcome to Max Me Education online classes. Today our topic basic geometrical ideas or basic geometrical concept. So in our total world, earth, everything is depend upon geometry only. Okay? How take our earth? Earth is a round. This is also earth is a sphere shape, that is also a geometrical shape. Okay, how take this is a plane, this is a plane, this is also one geometrical place. So whatever, if we draw anyway, you have to go by path, that is also one geometrical concept. So geometry started, first one is a point. What is point? Point, just a mark of position. We don't know what is the particular definitions. Just this is a one point. Point is a mark of position. A point is a mark of position. No depth, no length, no direction. We can't suggest point. Okay? Point we are donated with English capital alphabets. English capital alphabets. Capital A, capital B or capital C. So a point is a mark of positions denoted with capital alphabets. English capital alphabets. Now, so next, here I have take one point A. This is a one point B. So you can draw number of lines. Observe here. So there is a shortest distance from A to B. This is a line segment. Lines, these are curves. These are called curves. How to take like this is also one curve. Okay. So this line segment also one curve. But there is a shortest path from 2 points is called line segment. Line segment, shortest path. A straight path, otherwise a straight path between 2 points is called line segment. Okay? So a straight path between 2 points is called line segment. So particularly you have to take A and B. This should be a straight path. How to take another way, that is a curve. So we have discussed curve topic in later. Now line segment. Okay. Next, line segment after you have line. What is line? Line is a straight line segment, no endpoints, continuously goes on. That is called line. Line have no endpoints. So this is continuously go this way. This is also continuously this way. But AB, this is a notation. This is a symbol of line segment. No arrow marks. This is a AB. Observe here. These marks. This is a line. Line means a line segment have no endpoints is called line. Okay, line segment and line. Line segment have 2 endpoints. It is started from A, ended with B. But line segment no starting point and line no starting point and no ending point. That is line. Okay. Next we are going for the another topic, that is ray. Next, ray. Ray is a part of line. It have one endpoint. Has one endpoint. Okay. Next. So A and B. So what it is started from A and ended with B. It started from A, ended with B. If you have take like this only, B and A. It started with A and ended with B. No, not ended, sorry. So started with A, no end point. This is the arrow mark means continuously go. Here also B and A. Started at B and continuously go. This is B, A. This is ray. So clearly, one see, observe here. So what is line? So A and B. This is a line. Two endpoints. Two endpoints. Two end points. Next, if I take ray, no one endpoint. One endpoint. Next, A and B. A and B. No endpoints. No endpoints. No end points. Okay? So this is a symbol of A and B. So AB is equal to, you have to write BA. These both are same. Both are same. Next, AB is not equal. You have to take AB mark is not equal to BA. Because here started from A and continuously ended with, goes with B. But here this is started from B and continuously go with A. So for example, if I have to take A and B, this is A, this is B. So A to B here only. Okay? But if I have to take, this is ray, A and B. So this is continuously go. If we, this is at A, B. But if I write B, A, what is it meaning? This is go like this one, same. Started from B, endlessly go. Both are not equal. But here AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA. Even if I take line, line also same concept. AB is equal to BA. Both are same concept. Okay, if I take A here, take B. Okay, this is the little bit of don't be confused. Okay, right. Next we are going for the another topic. Plane. A plane is a flat surface which extend infinitely in all directions. Simple. This is a one plane. It is flat surface. It is a flat surface. It extends all directions indefinitely. This is called a plane. Okay. Next, curve. Now we are going for the concept of curve. What is a curve? So curve means there is a path between two lines. This is a path, curve. This is also one curve. This is also one. Already I told you, the line is also one curve. The line is also one curve. This is also curve. Next, I'll take like this only. This is also curve. A and B. Next. This is also one curve. Okay. Next, in this simple curve, what is simple curve? Simple curve. First, we are going for the next simple curve. What is a simple curve? A curve does not intersect itself is called a simple curve. What is it meaning? So A and B have to take 2 points. This is A and B. We are not lifting pencil. Directly we have to write. We are not lifting pencil or chalk. This is a one curve. But this is not simple curve. What is simple curve means? Does not intersect each other. So here already overlap. Okay, it intersect itself only. That is not a, this is also curve but not a simple curve. Simple curve means does not intersect each other, itself only. I have to take another one. This is also one curve, A and B. Okay, so I have to take another one. This is a open curve. This is a simple open, simple closed curve. Simple open curve. Simple closed curve. Understand what is the curve? So curve is there is a path between 2 points, whatever it may be, either intersect or what not, we are not bothered about. Whenever we are going with a simple curve, the curve does not intersect each other. Okay? Next, on that open curve and closed curve. Simple open means this, it said open only. How to take other like this only. This is also open curve. This is closed. Okay? Next, we are going for the another topic. Listen here. Next, polygons. What is polygon? Polygons, a closed figure formed with line segment. Before we have curve, closed figure with curves, but we are taking only line segments only. So you have to take any diagram. This is also closed figure with line segment. This is polygon. Okay? How to take quadrilateral? This is also one polygon. This is also one polygon. How to take? This is also one polygon. These are all polygons only, different polygons. Polygon, what is the concept? A polygon is a closed figure formed with line segments. So now, number of line segments, we are divided into different polygons. So first polygon, triangle. What is a triangle? A closed figure formed with 3 line segments. This is called triangle. Okay? Next. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A closed figure formed with 4 line segment. A closed figure formed with 4 line segment. This is called quadrilateral. Then after we are going in depth, what is the properties of quadrilaterals? Next, what is the properties of triangle? We are going for the in depth. But now polygon means a closed form with line segment. On that line segment, so number of line segments. So it is not possible to draw a closed figure with 2 line segment. It is not possible. So it is possible only 3, minimum 3. Max may have number of, but minimum 3. So minimum 3, that is a triangle. 3 triangle, 4 quadrilateral. Okay? This is for polygons. Okay?